Hey guys, how's it going? Just have my water here, take a sip. So I just wanted to show you my mom and dad grew some vegetables in the garden. So they grew some eggplants and some beans. I don't know if you can see that. They grew some beans and they grew some jalapeno peppers as well. So they're very hot. I just had one, and they also grew some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and they grow other stuff too. But that's what they grew right now. Sometimes they grow like different teas and bigger tomatoes and stuff like that. Maybe like parsley, some other kind of peppers and stuff. So yeah, I'll just try to maybe just take a bit of a close up on them. Show some of it to you. So yeah, so here's some of the vegetables. This is an eggplant that they grew, and then this is a pepper, a jalapeno pepper, very hot. There's a bunch of them here, a whole plate, and there's also beans. These green beans that they grew as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll have some of this good water. Thank you. See you next time.